Passage 2. Step by Step. Step 2. Los Angeles. 5. In 1942, when Ailey was 11, he and his mother moved from Texas to Los Angeles, California. It was like moving to a different world, from a small and isolated town to a dazzling big city where people of many races and nationalities lived together. 6. World War II had begun, and jobs in manufacturing plants, providing American armed forces with weapons, vehicles, and supplies, were plentiful in the big city. Ailey's mother earned more money than she had earned in Texas and was able to send him to better funded schools. As a student, Ailey visited museums where he was exposed to jazz, theater, and international art. While Ailey enjoyed imitating much of the art he observed, he was most attracted to the freedom and joy of dancing. 7. After high school, Ailey studied with a skilled and dedicated dance teacher named Lester Horton. Horton operated a dance school as well as a company of dancers. Young dancers from his school could go on to perform professionally with the company. Horton had developed a recognizable Horton technique that emphasized flexibility and freedom of expression, which was in contrast to strict classical forms of dance, such as ballet. Horton was also very interested in using Native American and jazz dance styles. 8. Horton's creative approach to dance influenced the young Ailey and helped him to recognize the great potential that dance had to offer, both to the world and to himself as a dancer. Horton taught Ailey many aspects of dance techniques and encouraged him to join the professional company. Ailey performed with Horton's company and even appeared in movies of that time, experiences from which he learned about the many elements of performance, such as set and costume design, music, and acting. Step 3. A new direction for a new director. 9. In 1953, Horton died suddenly, leaving his company of dancers upset and in disarray. There were performances scheduled and work to be done, and so the young Ailey took over as director of the company. With his passion for dance and his deep appreciation for Horton's company, he was the right person to fill the role, even though he was only 22 years old. He choreographed new dances, organized rehearsals, and made sure the company met the obligations that Horton had arranged. Ailey was growing and developing as a dancer and a director, but he had even bigger dreams.